In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Sitecore SXA on Sitecore XP1 topology. As this is my first video, so pardon me for any mistakes. I'm preparing this video as it is completely showing you all the steps that I'm doing, what are things are going on and everything. I'm not going to pause or fast forward this one so that you can understand how the things are going on, what issues I face and how I am fixing them. Okay, so let's start. We'll start with installation of Sitecore 10.1 XP1 topology first on our local system. I'm dividing this installation in two steps. The first step is installing prerequisites and Solr through the GUI application graphical user interface installer provided by Sitecore for Sitecore XP0 topology, which is generally used by most of the developers to quickly install Sitecore along with SXA as well. So let's go and install prerequisites and Solr first through graphical installer. So as you can see, I have downloaded all the required files over here. I'm going to the XP0 GUI setup base and I'm starting this setup. Very first installing the prerequisites. Okay, as you can see that the prerequisites are installed. Let's move on. Install Solr. I'm installing Solr on the port 8983. If on your system, if any other Solr service is running on this port, then you have to change this value. I'm keeping this one as it is because I have no any other Solr service running on. For the directory one, let's say SXA XP1 and put it into install. Okay, Solar has been installed. Now let us go to the browser and check that whether it has been installed successfully or not. So yes, you can see that Solar is now installed. You can see different sections and different pages on the Solar interface. Okay, so we'll move on and do the installation of XP1 topology through the PowerShell scripts in the next video. Thank you.